Hi, this is Corey Beto from Beto's RV. Today we're going to do a walk around on a Flagstatt tent trailer from Forest River.
This 2018 Flagstatt tent trailer by Forest River is one of the lightest trailers on the market. It weighs 2275 unloaded vehicle weight, great for small SUVs and minivans. It comes equipped with a spare tire, aluminum wheels, outside speakers, a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. Also comes with an electric lift, front rack for your storage needs, 2 LP tanks with cover, outside shower, refrigerator, it has a hanging wardrobe, front bed with a heat pump and furnace, microwave oven, kitchen sink, 2-range top, refrigerator, fantastic fan, and a front dinette that folds into a bed.
Come visit us at betosrvs.com this weekend off of 76 in Chehalis.